An operations manual is also called a standard operating procedures manual. A standard operating procedures manual is a written document that lists the instructions, step by step, on how to complete a job task in the workspace. To be brief, the operations manual is a toolkit for replicating your knowledge of your business and what you do on any given day. As your business grows, you may have separate manuals for different departments or divisions. You might also develop a basic version for entry-level employees and a more detailed version for senior managers. In the SAP project, we've got to have an operations manual as end-user training materials. They're going to operate the SAP system based on these step-by-step instructions. So the operations manual is also really important day-to-day operation reference for SAP end users. It's great to have a standard template for the operations manual. In the Orange Company project, the project managers will discuss the template and then provide them to function consultants and key users. Each transaction code will have one operations manual for end users to look up in an efficient way. When key users finish the manuals, function consultants are responsible for review and correction. There are a few tips to make a perfect operations manual. If you're responsible for writing an operations manual, you should consider yourself a user. You should have a good understanding of your users so you can leverage the information they need to know, their background and their knowledge. Once you think like a user, you can write content that the users just want to know. Then you're going to use a more active voice. Sentences that use active voice emphasize the user and are really easy to read and understand. In most cases, the subject and verb in the sentence are clear. Also, you should write a really clear and concise set of instructions, and it's better to establish a standard. Because when you're creating documentation, there'll be areas where there may be more than one way to spell a word, and these are just a few of the decisions that writers must make when they create these documents. With the standards, the writer's job becomes much easier since most of these decisions have already been made. Let's look at a few examples about how it works in the coming slides.